back to my channel. So today we are doing our Black Friday haul. So the things I told y'all that I was gonna be purchasing, some I got, some I didn't get, because by the time I got on to purchase it, they was gone. Okay, so it's okay. But I'm also including my Sephora haul from the VIB sale. So just FYI, let's go ahead and start with Sephora. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with skincare. So first I got the Murad 30-day trial kit to outsmart breakouts. This has the clarifying cleanser, the outsmart acne clarifying treatment, the oil and pore control mattifier broad spectrum SPF 45, and then the rapid relief acne spot treatment. This set was $35. I do not have the price for everything, but I will put links down below for anything that is still available that you can purchase, so that you can click on the link and decide if you want it or not. Okay, so yeah, this is $35. I'm definitely going to be using this because your girl, acne has been happening. Help us Lord. Okay. Keeping with skincare, I got the Ordinary Direct Acids Mandelic Acid 10% plus HA from Sephora. Take it out. So this claims that it targets uneven tone, textural irregularities, and fine lines. Okay, so this is the actual packaging. It's glass, and this I think was like $7. So it's been all over TikTok, like this brand, but I'll let y'all know if your girl likes it. That's the only two skincare things I got. The next thing I'll talk about is hair care. So I decided to try this Briogeo Detox, Restore, and Protect Hair Care Kit. So this is the packaging. It's a little trial size kit. It has the Scalp Revival, the Don't Despair Repair, and the Farewell Frizz in here. Each little bottle is 1 fluid ounce. Let me show y'all. Yeah, so it's a cute little trial size. I'll probably get about 2 uses out of this with my hair, possibly, and I'll let y'all know. Next is we're gonna talk about makeup. So I had wanted to find me some new setting sprays. So there are 2 that I in particular wanted to try, and both of these were in like the travel trial smaller size packaging, and I highly recommend that y'all do that. So if there's any product that you want to try and you don't want to spend the full price for it, not knowing if you like it, because some stuff is expensive at Sephora and at Ulta. Skincare, hair care, makeup, it's not always cheap. It's not always affordable. So I always recommend, like, if you see something that you want, go look and see if they have it in the smaller size and try it that way. That way, if you don't like it, you didn't waste that much money. Even though you can return it, I just personally feel bad about returning certain stuff because I'm like, dang, all they're gonna do is throw it away. So, but you need to get your money back, okay? So first, I decided to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. And this is the 1.1 fluid ounce bottle. I think she was a little pricey, but I wanted to try this out. It claims it primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Instantly locking your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. Okay, we shall see. Okay, I'll let y'all know. The next spray I got is by Milk. So y'all know I love my Milk Hydro Primer. That's the OG. I use it every time I do my makeup. So they came out with a grip set and refresh spray. A grip set and refresh spray. In their Hydro line. All their packaging looks the same. So that's it. But can y'all see them oil bubbles up there? Is this oily? Because I don't want no oil on my face. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know about this. If this made me oily, she's going back. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. And this was also in a 1 ounce, probably. Yes, 1.69 fluid ounces. Then I went ahead and re-upped on the Milk Makeup Hydro Primer, the little travel size one, to put in my travel bag for when we travel. Just a little daddy. Let me show you in comparison to my big one. So yeah, I just need to get this. Then I re-upped as well on this Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. Might not be able to see this one. This is in Natural Shine. I love this stuff. It's just a good hydrating lip oil. I keep one in my car, so I need to get another one. It's just good, y'all. I know for sure, I think this is $18. You're gonna think I'm crazy. But it is worth it. It is worth the $18. It is very hydrating. It's not sticky. It's just a bomb. Don't have no smell. It's just a good shine, okay? All right, next I have the Laneige Glowy Lip Wonders 2-piece lip balm. And it has the berry and the gummy bear. This was $27. I love their night lip mask. I think I have it in berry. I use it all the time. It's bomb. I love it. It doesn't break my lips out. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to love these. I'm going to put them in my purse or my car. Y'all know. Last from Sephora is NARS. I bought my first NARS foundation ever. Okay. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I got it in medium deep, Marquises. So that's the packaging. Okay. The color cannot look like this because sis, where sis, where this ain't you. So I'm pretty sure it's not. It's not. Okay, okay. She might be a bit too dark. She might be a little dark. We'll try it out, see what happens. So that is it for Sephora. That is all I got from there. My bill was a little high. Next, we are going to go into Juvia's Place. So I did tell y'all I was placing an order, and I did. I placed an order. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes and 1 blush palette. Yeah. So I got the Sweet Pinks by Juvia's Place. I got the berries. These are both eyeshadow palettes. And then I got the Saharan. Oh, I already got something on here. The Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Y'all know I love Volume 2. That's what I use every time I basically do my makeup. But let me show y'all. This is the berries. She's pretty. I can't wait to play with it. And then this is the pink, the Sweet Pinks. She's pretty as well. And this is the blush palette. She's pretty and deep and dark. Cannot wait. So, yeah. That is what I got from Juvia's Place. I will definitely be making some looks with these. So, just, my nose is itching. I definitely will be coming up with some looks with those palettes, so just be on the lookout, y'all. That's all I got from them is those 3 palettes. So our last stop store is Ulta. So I'll go ahead and start with skincare again. I only got one skincare item from Ulta. I decided to try out the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. It's a lot. Then next, I went ahead and the rest of the stuff from Ulta is makeup. So I went ahead and tried the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. And I have been wanting to try this. I don't know why I haven't bought it because it's E.L.F. It's not like it's like expensive. But yeah, I went ahead and got it from Ulta. It wasn't on sale or anything. I'm pretty sure it wasn't on sale, but I just wanted to try it while I was placing an order. The next thing I got was the Tarte Maneater Voluptuous Mascara. So, in the shade black, of course. Y'all know I have a fave. I have my Better Than Sex. That is my favorite mascara, but I want to try out something new. So let's check out this wand. Okay, it's very different than my Better Than Sex one. So I will let y'all know how I like her. Then sticking with lashes, I decided to try, and I'm low-key nervous and I might be taking this back. It is the Kiss Falscara, the New Way to Lash, Bond and Seal. So apparently, you put this on your lashes, attach a lash, and then seal it. And it's supposed to put your lashes on. I'm just low-key nervous that what if my eye breaks out, swells up, you know, I don't know. So I'm a little nervous. She might go bad because I have sensitive skin and stuff, and we ain't got time for that, okay? But I'll let y'all know if I keep it and try it. Y'all will find out, okay? And then the last 2 things I got were some LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liners. I got them in the shade Keep It Spicy and Nonstop Nude. So I will be placing another order with Ulta because right now, Ulta, if you are a platinum member, they finally gave us a 20% off everything, even the Prestige brands coupon and it expires December 24th. So I will most likely be placing another order to go ahead and get some things that I did not get that I had been waiting on because I was waiting on that coupon, okay? So I will definitely probably do another little haul or something, or I'll do it on my Instagram for y'all to see it. But yeah, so that's it, y'all. That's all that I got. It's a lot to me. May not be a lot to y'all, but it was a lot of money, okay? Because I'm on a budget, okay? But that is it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Sasha, aka Salona Styles, and I appreciate you and thank you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You can always leave a comment down below underneath any of my videos to let me know what you're looking forward to seeing. If you have any suggestions on what content you want to see from me, or if you just want to chat with me, I'm always here. And thank you guys so much for watching. Be blessed. Bye, guys.